welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another video, and in today's video we have another hair install video. So this wig I did purchase off of Amazon. It's from Bang Jazz Hair Store on Amazon. It's a 13x4 deep wave lace front wig. It's 180 density, and as I mess up and try to get this thing together, it came with a wig cap, as you can see here. It also came with, no, that's all that this one came with. It is 26 inches, I think. Yep, 26 inches, 180 density, and it is a deep wave, like a curly type wig. It is so cute, y'all. I loved this install, but when I tell y'all, she gave me a ran for my monies. She gave me a ran for my money because I tried a new method when it came to bleaching the knots, and I low-key over bleached them, but this unit was pre-plucked. I'm showing you how it came straight out the pack, untouched. It did come with baby hairs. Well, I'm trying to show you to you, girl. I'm trying to show you. It came with 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and it came with like a lot of good space for lace. Of course, it has that little lace thing at the back and the elastic bands, which I'm trying to show to you right now. Me trying to show it and everything. These parts of the videos just be making me laugh, and I really have no idea why. But if you want to see this install, y'all, just keep watching. I hope you guys are subscribed. If you're not, what are you doing? Stop, pause the video, go subscribe, come back, and now let's go ahead and get into this install. So this is the wig after I've washed it, and as you can see, I over bleached it like crazy, y'all, like so bad. I was doing other stuff, y'all. Too much is going on. I was doing a whole lot while I was doing this, so you're just gonna see me doing the process of trying to install it, get it together. Y'all, don't forget to cut that little piece off the back. Cut that off the back. Cut it off. Don't leave it on there. Cut it off. As I struggle to cut it off and not drop the wig, y'all. But I think, did I struggle? I think I probably struggled trying to cut these ear tabs. I promise you, I always struggle trying to cut the ear tabs. It makes absolutely no sense. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and play some music this time. I'm not going to talk y'all ears off this video, but if you have any questions, please leave them down below. You're just going to watch the process of me getting this wig together, because as you can see, she was looking crazy. She was looking crazy, but we got her in a decent place at the end of the video, so make sure you stick till the end so you can see how I covered up the over bleached parts of this unit. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing this game. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own, 'cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm independent, you hard-headed, too damn confused about what we had. Was all foreign, all that was wrong, shut up inside. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Couldn't answer what we had without the full closure. 'Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over, but now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on and looking forward. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking time to myself. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better. When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better. When the cars all roll up, I think you better fly. And she say I'm distant, we'll find a better guy. I was plotting on leaving the LA from the shop, but that summertime hit, then I'm really on the high. I was rushing, just trying to catch a T to home. Now I'm rushing, I'm trying to date Rashida Jones. I'm a trainer, baby, I just wanna see you touch your toes. In the Tesla, trying to find my inner Elon with a fro. When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better. When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better. Take you in, girl, you look like Nefertiti in the flesh. Say you win, loving basketball and playing, baby, check. Give me the rock, give me the rock, I'm finna float. Give me the ball, give me the sun, I'm finna grow. Took her out, still waiting, she was gone for some time. It was a sundress, I swear to God, it make the sun shine. I ain't got them issues, I'ma tell you one time. You act like I'm the worst because I cheated one time. I'm not trying to think of love. What you expect? I'm a dog, get involved, I'm evolved. When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better. When the weed all rolled up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better.
When the weed all roll up, the hoes gon' catch up. Arms in the shot more than Coachella. We can keep it secret, baby girl, you can tell us. Fake shit, never, ain't no better.
You say you want me, you better want me. Now you got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now, 'cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm running from the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotions. Maybe it's just something you did. Triggered and I can't even focus. Maybe it's just all in my head. 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 You give me everything I want, but then sometimes you don't, and it's so damn enticing. You know that keeps me wanting more, but I'd still rather hide it and keep on denying the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotions. Maybe it's just something you did. Triggered and I can't even focus. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my head.
games, David Busters. Bitch, I really ballin' like I'm at the Rucker. I don't give a fuck, I'm not Chris Tucker. No, this not jokes, this not comedian, folks. Tell me what you like about it. She say how I got the sugar and spice about it. She wanna mix it up. What? Feeling like I give it up every time. I be dishing dimes in every line. Where has the summer gone? Where has the summer gone? Where has the summer gone? Westside living in the Bay Area. Westside villains where they slide on your shirt, no love. Wanna try to live a little just for once. Yeah, this time I really mean it. So I'm sliding JDM just for fun. If you wanna ride, just say something. If you wanna ride, little mama, just say that. We can take a trip down LA. Yeah, this my new flow. I'm straight about the door. I'm getting cash. I'm really touching those. All these fucking bitches on my line. I had to let them go. Call me Wizzy Wazoo. High flip it, high dibble dabble. I done made some major changes in my life for sure. I done did some niggas, bitches dirty, that's for sure. I done did a lot way back on the low. Usher in confessions, now you at my front door. Watch this. How many times you gon' read my phone? Watch this. Where has the summer gone? Where has the summer gone? Where has the summer gone? Westside living in the Bay Area. Westside villains where they slide on your show you no love.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing these games. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm independent, you hard-headed. Too damn confused about what we had. Was all for it, all that was wrong, shut up inside. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Put it into what we had without the full closure. Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over. But now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on a looking forward. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day